Best Bug and tar removers protect paint, prevent stains, restore shine, and simplify cleaning, keeping car exteriors looking new and well-maintained. My today's video is about top 5 best bug and tar removers for car exteriors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 3D Bug Remover. This bug remover delivers a practical, time-saving solution for stubborn insect residue on car exteriors. Its fast-acting formula effectively loosens dried bugs, tree sap, and grime, allowing you to wipe them away without aggressive scrubbing. That's a big advantage for maintaining your car's paint, as excessive rubbing often leads to swirl marks or dullness. What stands out is its versatility. It works not only on painted surfaces, but also on plastic, rubber, chrome, aluminum, glass, and mirrors, making it a reliable all-purpose cleaner. The spray and rinse application is simple and user-friendly, ideal for both quick touch-ups and full exterior cleaning sessions. Importantly, it's safe for wax and clear coats, so you don't have to worry about damaging protective layers. Whether you're cleaning a car, motorcycle, RV, or even household surfaces, this product handles buildup efficiently. Overall, it's a dependable, low-effort cleaner that keeps surfaces fresh and well-maintained. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Remover. This bug and tar remover stands out for its ease of use and highly effective performance. Whether added to a wash bucket or foam cannon, it delivers excellent coverage, making cleaning faster and more efficient. The formula rinses off without leaving streaks or residue, which is a major plus for maintaining a spotless finish. Its versatility is another strong point. Safe for paint, glass, chrome, plastic, and more, it cleans thoroughly without damaging delicate surfaces or protective coatings. The fast-acting formula quickly breaks down stubborn bug splatter and tar, reducing the need for harsh scrubbing that can cause scratches. As a pre-wash step, it's particularly valuable, helping loosen bonded contaminants before a full wash and minimizing swirl marks. Ideal for summer driving and long trips, this product keeps your vehicle looking clean with minimal effort. Overall, it's a reliable and user-friendly solution for maintaining a pristine exterior. Our third product is Goo Gone Automotive Removes Bugs and Stickers. This automotive cleaning gel offers impressive versatility, tackling everything from bumper stickers and decals to gum, bird droppings, and stubborn tree sap. Its strength lies in breaking down sticky, greasy residues like tar, brake dust, and even light spray paint without damaging surfaces. That makes it a reliable choice for both exterior detailing and interior touch-ups. The no-drip gel formula is especially practical. It clings to surfaces, allowing the product to penetrate grime effectively instead of running off too quickly. This feature improves cleaning efficiency and reduces product waste. It's also safe for use on metals, plastics, and glass, giving you confidence when working across different parts of your vehicle. Another highlight is its ability to remove decals and adhesive residue cleanly, leaving no sticky mess behind. Whether you're refreshing bumpers, dashboards, or upholstery, it delivers consistent results. Overall, it's a dependable multi-purpose cleaner that simplifies tough automotive cleaning tasks while protecting surfaces. Now number 4, Stoner Car Care Tarminator Tar, Sap, and Asphalt Remover. This tar and sap remover delivers fast, no-fuss performance, making it a strong choice for tackling stubborn road contaminants. Its biggest advantage is speed, breaking down tar, tree sap, and asphalt within 30 to 60 seconds, allowing you to simply spray, wait, and wipe without aggressive scrubbing. This not only saves time, but also protects your paint from unnecessary abrasion. The formula is designed with safety in mind, working effectively on paint, clear coats, and chrome without dulling or damaging finishes. It penetrates deep into baked-on grime, making it especially useful for bumpers, wheels, and body panels where buildup is common. Another standout feature is its role as a pre-treatment. By removing surface contaminants before polishing or waxing, it ensures better adhesion and a smoother final finish. Overall, This product combines efficiency, surface safety, and professional-grade results, making it a dependable addition to any car care routine. And our last choice is Pandas Professional Detail Products Bug Off Insect Remover. This bug remover delivers professional-grade performance, making it a standout choice for tackling stubborn insect residue. Its powerful formula penetrates and dissolves baked-on bug splatter quickly, preventing long-term damage to your vehicle's clear coat. Since bug residue is highly acidic, the product's ability to neutralize these contaminants adds real value in preserving paint quality. Ease of use is another major advantage. Simply spray, wait about a minute, and rinse. No aggressive scrubbing needed. This makes it an excellent pre-wash treatment, reducing the risk of swirl marks during a full wash. It lifts residue efficiently, saving both time and effort. Despite its strength, it remains safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, chrome, plastic, and glass, without stripping wax or protective coatings. As part of the Pandas Double Black collection, it reflects a detailer-trusted standard. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance solution for keeping your vehicle clean, protected, and showroom-ready. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.